Welcome to our factory, where we manufacture high-quality water meters and flow meters. Our water meters provide precise measurement of water usage for residential, commercial, and industrial purposes. Our range includes smart and mechanical water meters. Our flow meters accurately measure the flow rate of various liquids and gas, including water, chemicals, and oil in industrial processes. We take pride in our rigorous quality control procedures, ensuring that every product that leaves our factory meets our high standards. Choose our water meters and flow meters for reliable and accurate metering. Trust us to deliver products of unmatched quality that meet your needs. Welcome to our esteemed flow meter factory, where precision and excellence are paramount. Each water meter is meticulously tested within our facility to guarantee utmost accuracy and dependability. With cutting-edge automated verification equipment, we effortlessly conduct high-precision tests to meet the demanding standards. Notably, our factory proudly houses the larger flanged water meter verification equipment in China, expertly handling meters up to DN 600 in diameter. Rest assured in choosing us for all your meter needs and immerse yourself in the unparalleled quality and performance we provide. At our cutting-edge flow meter factory, customer satisfaction is paramount. We pride ourselves on offering tailor-made products and services to meet the unique requirements of our clients. From customized branding solutions that showcase your distinct identity to the development of bespoke products tailored to your specifications, we are committed to delivering excellence. Additionally, we provide specialized software customization services for seamless integration into your operations. Our team of experienced engineers is available to provide on-site installation, testing, and expert guidance, ensuring a smooth and successful project implementation. Trust us to provide professional, personalized solutions that exceed your expectations.